A warm welcome to you all. In this video of today, I'll be showing you guys how to dual boot Windows 10 and Windows 11 on the same PC. So this means running both operating systems simultaneously using the same hardware. So what I will first of all start with, I'll first of all right click on my Windows icon, go to disk management here, click on it. This is my system disk. This is my system disk. This is system reset partition. So I would like to shrink this disk or to partition another disk where I'll install my Windows 10. So what I'll do is to shrink volume. So I'll allocate the amount of gigabyte, the amount of space that my Windows 10 will run for. So I'll allocate 200 gigabytes. So as you can see, the 200 gigabyte has come unallocated. So I'll first of all right click on it to new simple volume. Yes, I'll continue. I'll leave it like this. You can choose your letter. I can leave mine like this. Yes, and I'll leave my system file to NTFS by default. It is like this. And then I can allocate I can label my volume. I'll label it as Windows 10. Just for this tutorial, I'll click on next and finish. So if you want to see, you can go to this PC. You can see this is the disk where we install our Windows 10. Okay. Secondly, we will have to put our USB key. So these are the required software, the Windows 10 operating system and Power ISO. So the link of both softwares will be in the description. And also you will need at least an 8 GB USB drive or more. So one thing I want to do, I want to right click and run as administrator and accept yes. On my nav, on the task, on the bar here, I look for create. Then I'll go to create bootable USB drive. Then select the image file. My image file is in the desktop. So this is the image file. So now like this, I would like to connect my USB drive. As you can see here, I've connected my USB drive. You can see the type, it is 2.0 and it is 30 GB space. So I'll go down here, I click on start. It will ask you if you want to erase the disk. So if the data in your disk, in your USB drive is important, you can store it somewhere because it will erase all the data. Then I click on OK. So now that it has finished writing my USB drive, so I will first of all finish close the process. So guys, after you finish booting your USB drive, so we need to reconnect back the USB drive to install our PC. So I will connect back my USB drive to any USB port. And then I open the PC. I look for the boot key of my PC. For my Dell PC is F12. Then I'll go on the screen. I'll look for a settings called USB storage. I select enter. So guys, at this level you will see different options like this, your region, things like that, your keyboard. So I am comfortable with my English United States. I will leave it like that and I'll click on the next button, and then now I'll select install now to continue. So guys, my Windows 10 is restarting. So these are the levels of installation. So we're going to look into this install. So guys, I'll choose my region to be the United States. I click on yes, I continue. So actually it's loading. I'll choose my keyboard layout to be US. I click on yes button. I click on skip to continue. So if you have no internet, you can leave it like that. So I'll click on I don't have internet and continue, and then I'll click on continue limited setup. Since this connect now is with internet, so I'll press continue limited setup and accept Windows 10's policies. I name my PC now. I'll name it as Spencer. I click on next. If you want to add a password, you can add it, but I will not add any password for this video. I click on next. I continue the process. So I will accept all of Windows 10's privacy settings. I accept. For Cortana, I will deactivate Cortana, not now. So guys, as you people can see, we have successfully installed Windows 10 and Windows 11 on the same PC. So I'll shut down this PC to show you something. I'll click on restart. So at this level we are going to choose the operating system. So if you already have information in Windows 11, you can choose it. So for in this PC Windows, you can choose a default operating system. So I'll choose my Windows 11 to be the default operating system by clicking on it. So we'll continue. So guys, we have successfully installed Windows 10 alongside Windows 11 on the same PC. So we have come to the end of this video. So guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.